Hello, my name is Jonathan Chacon, and today my topic for speaking assignment number 4 is why we shouldn't use cell phones while driving. So, every day people die in car accidents because they use cell phones while driving. According to a research, cell phones are leading factors that cause accidents. Studies have shown that a cell phone put drivers at a 4 times greater risk of a crash. Despite of all danger, people still use phones because they want to always be available or keep in touch with other people. Also, some people think that a hands-free set is safer because they can drive using two hands. Moreover, they're using arguments that cell phones are necessary in emergency situations. Although some people support using cell phones while driving, there are evidences that they are dangerous and people should avoid talking while driving. So people who work on cell phones, like who had to have a cell phone for their business, like lawyers or businessmen, say that they always have to have their phone with them to be available with just in case clients call them, so they can keep their business running, is what they say. However, because of their habits, they can create dangerous and hazardous situations like a collision or an accident. Business issues can be stressful and dangerous while driving, but it can cause an emotional reaction that can lead to tragedy. Because of the conversation that they're having with the client, they might get upset, or it can lower their driving ability, that can lead to lose control of the car and crash. So people don't make a decision to put so if people don't make a decision to put their cell phone away, uh, routine can harm that their routine that they're always used to can harm innocent people. And people um, say that hands-free set is much safer because people can use two hands. However, hands-free devices don't eliminate the risk of causing an accident, and even may worsen it by suggesting that the behavior is safe. Researchers show that using headsets can be just as dangerous as holding a phone because the conversations distract drivers from focusing on the road. The problem is when a car swerves unexpectedly or a pedestrian steps out into traffic and the mind lacks the processing power to react in time. So the problem isn't the holding isn't in holding the wheel and the cell phone at the same time. What may cause an accident? The reason it may cause an accident is because of lack of maneuver. It is because of conversation and lack of reaction at a particular time. And some people say that cell phones are good because they give an opportunity to make a call in case of an emergency. However, it is an illusion of safety because people need it, um, when people need it in the most, either they can't find it or reach for it because they're stuck in a car. People shouldn't fully depend on cell phones because they are not reliable, and the trusty solution for the difficult situation is OnStar. OnStar is a service that, in case of an accident or an emergency, will contact you if you're not able to answer. They will contact the police department, hospital, and fire services, giving them your exact GPS location. Therefore, nowadays, cell phones are unnecessary devices because they're unreliable in emergency situations, while OnStar is always prepared to help you in an accident. So, in conclusion, if people don't give up using cell phones, and I don't think they ever will, the number of fatalities on the road will and still are increasing. It is people it is people's responsibility to not incur their own and others people's lives. So it's not fair to people who are just walking down the road minding their own business and all of a sudden they get hit by a car. So that's why cell phone is cell phone using the cell phone while talking is so dangerous and shouldn't be done. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you next time.